Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint BAB token. First, understand that the Binance account bound token, or BAB token, is a unique digital identity on the BNB chain. It's a non-transferable token that verifies your identity as a Binance user who has completed KYC. Minting this token opens doors to various exclusive benefits within the Web3 ecosystem. To mint your BAB token, you must first ensure your Binance account has completed full identity verification, also known as KYC. This is a crucial step for eligibility. Next, you'll need to connect a compatible Web3 wallet, like Trust Wallet or the Binance Web3 wallet, to your Binance account. Finally, be prepared to pay a small gas fee, usually about $1, to cover the transaction costs. Begin by logging into your Binance app and navigating to the BAB token section, often found under More or Gifts and Campaigns. Once there, connect your chosen Web3 wallet and sign the message to verify ownership. Then, simply tap Get BAB Token and confirm the small gas fee payment from your spot or funding wallet. Your unique, non-transferable BAB token will then be minted directly to your connected wallet. Holding a BAB token offers significant advantages, including secure digital identity verification across the Web3 space. You'll gain access to exclusive airdrops, VIP bonuses, and special features from numerous projects that integrate BAB tokens. This token also enhances security and helps prevent Sybil attacks in various decentralized applications. For more great deals, including the Oala water bottle, remember to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.